So let's see. So we did through 22. So, all right. So these ones now let you choose any method. So just as a reminder, if it specifies a method, you have to use that. If I don't, or the book doesn't specify a method, you can pick whichever one you prefer. So 28, 3x plus 2y equals 11, and 4x plus y equals negative 2. So with this one, gonna be honest, it really doesn't matter which method we pick, so I'm gonna let y'all tell me which method you want to do, and whichever one you pick, tell me what variable, like what my first step is then.
Substitution.
Okay.
The bottom one.
For which variable?
For y.
Okay. So substitution, that probably does make the most sense with this one just because I don't have any variables that are already opposite, like signs, and with y, it's already by itself, so it's a pretty simple step. So this one is going to become y equals negative 4x minus 2. So I'm plugging this in for y in the top one. So 3x plus 2 times negative 4x minus 2 equals 11. So 3x minus 8x minus 4 equals 11. And then that 5x equals 15. So x equals 3. And then plug that in to this modified equation. So y equals negative 4 times 3 minus 2. So y equals negative 12 minus 2, which is negative 14. Nope. Wait. This is supposed to be a negative 5 over here. I was like, hold on. I think something's wrong. All right. This was supposed to be a negative 5x, which then leads to negative 3 for x. So then this should have been positive 12 minus 2, which is 10. There we go. And if I didn't catch it, if I had checked it, I would have gone back and, figured it out. So then remember, answers are ordered pairs, so negative 3, 10 is my solution for this one. Um, 36. Let's see, we've got 4x minus 3y equals 8, and negative 8x plus 6y equals 16. So what method should I use for this one? The droids are in the way. Elimination, and what, which equation, or if I need to do both, am I multiplying, and by what?
Top by 2.
Top by 2. I've already got opposite signs, so that works out. So now I'm going to keep the bottom equation. So 8x minus 6y equals 16. So the top equation's now gone. So then negative 8x plus 8x, that's 0. 6y minus 6y, that's also 0, is equal to 16, and 16 is 32. What is this?
Undefined. No solution.
No solution, because it is a false statement. And going back to, obviously we don't have to do it in this section, but going back to last section, if we had gotten no solution, we would have said that it was inconsistent. So, just as a refresher. All right, do we need to see any more, or are we okay? We just kind of wanted to do a little refresher, but Tristan, do you need to see any more? You're okay? All right. So then to add on to what I gave you on Friday, let's see, Friday we had 5, 9, 17, and 21. And those ones were all, they tell you what method. These ones, 29, 31, and 35, you get to choose your method for these ones.